The National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a high surf warning, which is in effect from 9 a.m. Sunday to 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Monday. A high surf warning indicates that dangerous, life-threatening waves will impact the shoreline. It is advised that people remain off of and away from the shoreline during this event. Waves and surf. A powerful west to northwest swell will create breakers of 25 to 40 feet, with favored locations occasionally exceeding 50 feet. Timing. Energetic waves will build through the day Sunday, peaking Sunday night into Monday morning. Waves will begin to gradually subside late Monday night, into Tuesday. Impacts. Large breaking waves along the coast will lead to increased wave run-up on beaches, with waves topping and washing over large rocks and jetties. They can easily move large logs and other beach debris and cause localized beach erosion. Localized coastal flooding is possible. Use extreme caution near the surf zone, as these large waves will be capable of sweeping people into the frigid and turbulent ocean water. The surf zone will be dangerous due to strong currents and breaking waves.